school na.
So, hi, Miss Jennifer. My name is Mylara. So, I am one of your instructor here in CPU.
Hi, Miss Jennifer. I'm Shani Susan, and I'm the Assistant Dean here in CCI School Department.
Hi Jennifer, my name is Gabriel Sultans. I am the Dean of the CCIC Department.
Miss Jennifer, why did you choose course to best IT?
I always love technology and solving problems. I choose information technology because it lets me combine my interests with my desire to help people and business solve problems using technology.
What excites you the most about the BSIT program?
I'm excited to learn about programming, networking, and system. I love the idea of build real world like solution and learning hands-on skills that I can apply right away.
So what skills or qualities do you have that will help you succeed?
I'm detail-oriented, a fast learner, and I enjoy solving problems. I believe these skills will help me thrive in this program and my future career.
So, Miss Jennifer, where do you see yourself after finishing this program?
In a few years, I see myself working as an IT professional, either in software development or network administration. I want to keep learning and help solve tech challenges in real-world business.
Thank you so much for that, Miss Jennifer. It was great hearing about your goals. We'll be in touch previously.
Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jennifer. Thank you so much, Miss